Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change icon for your Earbuds Energy System Style 4 in the application. You have to start by open eSmart Connect app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then click the pencil icon at the right top. Now, near to your earbuds, we have again a pencil icon. Tap at this icon. At the first line we have icon line, so tap at this line. Now you have two options, or take a photo or select from album, so I'm going to use the second one. Set now. We need to give a permission for it. So you can set it for the camera if you want to use camera in this application, but I want to only set it for the photos and I want to give full access. Here we go. Now let's go back. Okay. Here and icon. Select from album and now let's add this one. Done. And now, as you can see, we just change it. Now, if you don't like what you made, you need to again return to this menu with icon and the name, tap at the icon and click Reset Icon. And now we have it by default. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!